Hello, yes, it is me, Tildus. Okay, so quite a few people have requested me to make this video, so here I am. Let's begin. The total cost of the palace was around 3 million, to be more precise, exact. I have the exact number put in like a little text on the screen somewhere, so you can just read that. I began building the place in August, like the end of August, no, about like maybe 1 week into August, I don't remember, and it was completed on the 13th of September. So yeah, that's how long it took. I don't exactly remember, but like that's somewhat accurate. Let's take a little look inside then. If you go into build mode, the game passes you need if you want to rebuild this is advanced placing, multiple floors, and the basement game pass. So that's what you need in order to build this. I mean, you could try without them, but it would not go that well, I suppose. If we head onto the first floor, it has around 30 rooms. Like the second floor has around 30 rooms as well, and the first floor consists of the main entrance hall, the servant hall, and the banquet hall. Yeah. As you can see, I didn't really use up all the space. There's still some empty space that you can build on, and yeah. So let's go up to the second floor and see what we have in store there. Okay, so in my opinion, the second floor was the most fun place to build because it had tons of fun stuff, and yeah, it was it was an experience. The second floor has all the staterooms, the royal apartments, like all the bedrooms and stuff, and the library. It also has 30 rooms, as I said before. So I just want to say this before anyone comments anything. I know that the floor plan isn't accurate to the real palace, and yeah, I'm very well aware, and I didn't bother doing research to see exactly how the rooms were in the palace, so I just made my own version because that's me. Yay! Yeah. Now it's time to head onto the most empty floor, that is the third floor. And yeah, as you can tell, the third floor doesn't really have that much to it. It's basically just some rooms from the second floor that has high roofs, and then there's mostly roofs stuffed in there. So like the thing standing out on the third floor would be the throne room, the red little room you can see, and the grand staircase, the library, and the white drawing room. So let's just hop onto the fourth floor directly now. As you can see, this is like the roof floor, and you can see on the roof the palace doesn't go any higher than this. So yeah, I don't really have that much to say about this place. So yeah, time for the back. The main features of the backyard, like the back of the palace, would be the library, which is that rounded thing standing out in the middle with the round roof, and we also see all the bedroom windows and the servant quarters very clearly from the back. And if you now head on to the left side, we can see the servant entrance hall, which is like never used, which is rather sad. And on the right side we have the like it's actually we don't have that much there. It's just empty, and like yeah, we have the only thing standing out would be the white drawing windows that are rather big. So yeah, here we have the front of the palace, which most of you are familiar with. It includes 3 balconies as well as the main entrance and some guard posts. And yeah, that's it for the front. Let's see now. We have some very secret stuff. Very fun little secret, sneaky. Yeah. Here's my little mood station. It's kind of hidden away, very like you can't see from the outside, but you can go into there very easily. There's nothing blocking the way inside. Anyone can go into the mood station. That's very appealing in my opinion. And we got the secret entrance to the food storage, which is hidden inside the kitchen. So you go back this little thing, and then there's an underground path leading into the food storage room. Yeah, cool. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and tell me if there's anything else you wanna see. I've put a link to my Insta in the description, where you can see all the floor plans in form of pictures. So yeah, make sure to read the description. And sadly, there won't ever be any speed build for this place, as I didn't record footage of me building it, which was like my mistake. Yeah, so sorry for that. And that's all. See you next time. Bye.